Welcome back. Pretty soon we're going to take a live look at the WJZ Outback. There we are on this windy Halloween day, which could make it challenging for some of the trick-or-treaters who are going to be going out there tonight. We want to send it over to First Alert Marty Bass in the Weather Center.
No, I think the kids are going to be okay. I really honestly do. The wind should actually, if you were looking at a bar graph, once we get to about 4 o'clock, it starts going down. About 5 and 6, I think we'll be okay. But I just cannot get this Wizard of Oz thing out of my mind. Imagine here's Dorothy and the Scarecrow and the Lion and the Tin Man, and the leaves are blowing all around them, and that's where she comes out with that great line, lions and tigers and bears, oh my. I can't get that out of my mind because that's what it looks like with these winds. Take a look at the SAT-RAD, and I want you to note just a few passing fair weather clouds moving across the area, and when you widen out, you can see a little bit of moisture well up into central Pennsylvania. It's going to stay there. It's not a player for us. But again, these shade clouds, you want to look at it that way, will be passing by rather quickly on this wind as we move through the afternoon. Now, let's bring in the radar, and I'm using this graphic because it's showing you the actual representation of wind speed and direction coming straight out of the west. And I mean, lions and tigers and bears. Oh my, exactly correct. Wind speed and direction, I mean, this is your average wind speeds right now. I mean, look at some of these numbers. 33 Annapolis, 37 BWI Marshall, 20 when you get up to the Maryland line. I mean, they're really howling. And now let's throw in the gusts. I'm going to step out so you can just take a look at a location near where you are. Lothian, a 35-mile-an-hour gust. Tillman Island, 33. Frederick, 28. Hagerstown, 32. And look, the computer just adjusted them. I mean, it is a windy afternoon. But again, these winds are going to diminish rather quickly. And could we toss a wind chill down on this 56? Really, no. It feels like 56, so it's not like you got to hunker down into this wind. It's just leaves blowing around, and say it with me, lions and tigers and bears. Oh my. Humidity's 40%, barometer's 2960. It's starting to rise. There are these gusts here on TV Hill recently, up to 37 miles an hour. Temperatures right now primarily in the mid to upper 50s. Again, we're going for a high of 60 degrees. Neighborhood forecasts go across the bay to the eastern shore. You'll be in the low 60s, very much like we will be on the western shore. I thought because of the wind moving across the cooling Chesapeake Bay, maybe a little bit of a difference, but nope, not necessarily. The Maryland cast does show out in the mountains. A couple of passing showers this evening, but otherwise the mountains and the entire state can be set pretty good for a very nice weekend. All right, let's go ahead and take a look specifically at the Halloween forecast here. And what we'll be seeing, to be quite honest, about it, are clear skies, temperatures falling through the mid to upper 50s. 62 degrees tomorrow. On Sunday, let's just say you want to head out to western Maryland and maybe look at some fall. There's how it's starting to break down from Garrett County, moving east toward Frederick County into Baltimore County and across the Maryland line. Fall is really starting to happen really nicely. 63 on Monday, 61 on Tuesday with sun, Wednesday and Thursday with sun, 64 and 57 degrees. Nikki, take it away.
All right, Marty, thank you.